Hello everyone, my name is Eric Rodriguez. I am the executive chef at the Elbow Room in Fresno. Today we're going to do one of my specials. Crab stuffed prawns is what we're going to do today. We have our 4 to 6 prawns. I'm going to run over how to clean it, treat it, and then have it set for this preparation. We have our blend of crab. I'm using a rock crab and a king crab blend. I have diced bell pepper and jalapeno. I have lemon zest. I have some mayo and some panko. On this side is just our salt and pepper and our Italian parsley for garnish. So first, we're gonna take our prawns. We're gonna take your finger and you're gonna run it down the belly. We're gonna pull off the shell by holding the end of the tail. And look how that comes out. Nice and smooth. Shells you can discard in your bowl. And one more. Right down the center. Take off the shell, hold the tail. Comes right off. Now that we have the shell off your shrimp, you're gonna take your knife and we're gonna take the back side and we're gonna score it. Just so you split the back end all the way through. Once we have it all split through, we're gonna do a technique to butterfly your shrimp so it sits. So you're gonna grab your shrimp one more time where you scored it, and we're gonna make an indention to go halfway through. That way, it'll sit for you. So it's only in the front, you're gonna backward butterfly. Once we have our 3 prawns butterflied and deshelled, we're gonna take our ingredients. So we have our panko. We're gonna mix in our mayo. We're going to add our crab meat. Peppers. Our lemon zest. And then we're gonna season our stuffing mixture. At this point, you're gonna do a nice mix and blend and incorporate all your ingredients. Little 2-ounce portions. Okay, so right here we have our mixture together. We're making our portions about the size of a gumball, 2 ounces. We have our jumbo shrimp that we are going to stuff. So you're gonna take the tail, we're gonna use the butterfly, flatten it out, right on top, and then we're gonna lay our tail right on top of that. Do this. There we go. And voila. Now that we have it all stuffed, our jumbo shrimps are stuffed and ready to go. Just coat the pan with a little bit of olive oil, and then we can place our shrimp. As our oven's preheated at 375, and we are ready to fire. Now that we have our shrimp in our pan ready to go, we're going to coat it with a little white wine. That way when you're roasting it, it has a moisture effect where you steam it. We're gonna season and we can fire in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes at 375. Now that we have our shrimp to our desired temperature, we notice it's nice and golden brown on the crab. Your shrimp is a nice rosy pink. We're gonna build our sauce in the same pan. So as our pan is hot, we have our lemon juice, we have our white wine, we have our butter, heavy cream, and shallot. So we're gonna take it to our burner. We're gonna add our shallot. With your tongs, spread the shallot around. We're gonna add our white wine. Lemon juice. Let it come to a simmer. And then we're going to take our heavy cream and we're going to add this too at the very end. Thicken up your sauce. Once your cream is added, rotate your pan to incorporate all your flavors. And at the very end, we're going to add our butter pads. So we're going to use unsalted soft butter to finish your sauce. Once we bring to a simmer, we're looking for texture on the sauce. So it's not runny, it's nice and thick. And now we are ready to plate our entree. Once we have the shrimp on the plate, you're going to take your sauce and we're going to coat the top of your prawns. We're going to finish with some minced parsley for garnish. With this entree, I recommend a steamed rice, truffle mashed potatoes, and steamed vegetables. Enjoy.